Welcome to our video on the Laken Riley Act, a controversial new law that has sparked debate across the United States. We'll delve into the key provisions of this law, assess its potential impacts, and explore various perspectives surrounding it. Here's what we will be covering in this video: an overview of the Laken Riley Act, a dive into its key provisions, the controversies and criticisms surrounding it, the views of its supporters, legal implications, and finally, a summary and reflections. So stay tuned. The Laken Riley Act is designed to address the presence of foreign nationals in the United States who are here illegally. This legislation has been passed by Congress and aims to impose stricter measures on these individuals, particularly focusing on those involved in specific criminal activities. Let's look into the key provisions of the Laken Riley Act. Firstly, it mandates federal detention for foreign nationals involved in specific crimes such as burglary, theft, assault on a law enforcement officer, or any crime resulting in serious injury or death. Notably, no conviction is needed to detain these individuals, which raises significant concerns about due process and fairness. This aspect of the law is crucial for understanding why it has sparked so much debate. The Laken Riley Act has faced a plethora of controversies and criticisms. There is a risk of individuals being detained who are later acquitted or have their charges dropped. Critics argue this raises significant fairness issues and can have a disproportionate impact on certain communities. Furthermore, the law's vagueness leaves room for varied interpretations, creating potential for legal challenges and unintended discriminatory outcomes. It's quiz time. What is one major concern critics have about the Laken Riley Act? Is it A, mandates a high bail amount? B, no conviction required for detention? C, detention only applies to serious crimes? Or D, immediate deportation for any crime? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that a major concern is no conviction required for detention. This raises issues about due process and fairness, as individuals can be detained without a conviction. Supporters of the Laken Riley Act focus on enhancing public safety by advocating for the removal of individuals with criminal records. They emphasize that this legislation could address the safety concerns of communities and potentially be effective in reducing crime rates. However, it's important to consider if these intentions will indeed lead to positive outcomes or result in unintentional hardships. This diagram outlines the legal implications of the Laken Riley Act. One important aspect is the provision allowing state governments to sue the federal government for releasing detained immigrants or issuing parole without in-depth case reviews. This could lead to numerous legal battles, further straining resources. Moreover, the law's vagueness results in room for various interpretations and potential challenges, highlighting significant legal complexities. To summarize, the Laken Riley Act presents a highly controversial issue. Critics are particularly concerned about due process and fairness under this law, while supporters emphasize potential public safety benefits. However, the complexity of its provisions hints at future legal battles and interpretations. The long-term effects on the legal system and immigrant communities require close scrutiny. As this legislation unfolds, it will be vital to monitor its impact and ensure a fair balance between public safety and individual rights. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts on the Laken Riley Act and its implications in the comments below. Until next time, take care.